Madam, under madam,
Very eventful, yes. That is what they were saying. When a short ball was there, it comes on the leg side with where there were no field days. The bank is in such a situation where more than are under PCA, and some of the important private sector banks are under cloud. That is much more important than anything else. The Axis Bank or the ICICI Bank, whatever matter, that is all under cloud, which gives a lot of opportunity for which we have been well positioned, and I am confident that people will be able to take, the young generation will be able to take this bank from this level to the next level. When the disruptive things are happening in the banking arena, we are well positioned to take these challenges and then convert these challenges into opportunities. As a zonal team, what I request is that we should be playing a very, very supportive role to the operating units. Let us not be very, what I can say, that let us not be a big boss. Not the big boss which let us be colleagues. I always say Jayalalitha that all people are zero and Jayalalitha is going to be the new one, and if that one is not going to be there, the entire thing will become zero. So the operating units are the units which are going to give you the results. Let us try to provide them support, not see. It is very, very easy to give raise questions, but it is as zonal office people. So let us do that, and I am confident that as MD was saying in the webcast, that the bank's potential is immense. Let us this potential may be tapped and then grow a bigger, and then what Mr. Rao used to write, that let our bank be an admired bank in the entire banking system. I wish you all the best on this day, and let us continue to work with the same zeal, with the same enthusiasm, because I could see a lot of enthusiasm, a lot of energy in the morning walkathon, and let that be continued during the days to come. So when the next foundation day comes, you will be able to show some remarkable results. As Mr. Kalyan Raman was telling in the morning, these Chennai zone performs better than any other zones in the country. I wish you all the best, and thank you very much for all the arrangements. Thank you.